Hi everyone, I'm Rob Smallshire, and I'm here to welcome you to Core Python Advanced Flow Control. My co-author Austin Bingham and I are both founders and principal consultants at 60 North. Occasionally, the fundamental flow control structures of Python, if-else blocks, for loops, and while loops, can feel limiting or clumsy. In this course, you'll learn about some extensions to these basic control structures and also some alternatives which are often more suitable. Some of the major topics we'll cover include else clauses on while loops and for loops, else clauses on try-except structures, emulating switch statements, and polymorphic dispatch on the type of objects. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use these flow control constructs to eliminate unnecessary conditionals in your programs, reducing their complexity and improving their reliability. Before beginning this course, students should be familiar with the essentials of the Python language, including functions, classes, and modules. This course assumes knowledge of these topics equivalent to what's presented in Core Python Getting Started, Core Python Functions and Functional Programming, and Core Python Classes and Object Orientation. We hope you'll join us on this journey to learn more about Python with Core Python Advanced Flow Control here on Pluralsight.